Hi, my name is Joe Partridge from justscoof.com, and today we're going to be looking at how do you reproduce that coffee shop latte experience with steamed foamy milk. We've got 4 methods I want to try. This is electric heater, this is a whisk, some people use a jam jar, and I'm also going to show you how to froth up milk using a scoof. So let's start with method number 1. This is an electric heater with a coil inside that whisks up the milk. I'll add the desired amount of milk and then we'll put it onto the stand and set that going. That didn't take very long at all, about 30 seconds, and there's nice foam there, thick foam. Let's pour it out. There's the steamed milk underneath. Yeah, you make a good latte drink with that, with the warm milk and then foam on top. Quite a nice amount of foam on top. So that method clearly works. Next, I'd like to show you the steam wand. So I've got a glass jug here. It's very simple, it doesn't heat, but it does whisk up. So I'll put some milk in there and let's start whisking the milk up. Oh, very vigorous. And that is developing quite a nice foam. It's always best to use cold milk to get your foamy milk and then heat it afterwards. And you can see the volume increasing, and there we are, we're at max foam milk. And all we need to do is pop that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now, this is the result with the wand, and that's looking good. There's a lot of foam. Yeah, a lot of foam there. Nice thick crust, that'll be good on top of a latte or a cappuccino. And we've got all of that steamed milk. Way, and then you put in the, oh yeah, that does look good. That looks great. Whoa. That's almost like an ice cream. And the next one is the shaking the jar method. So put the milk into the jar. Make sure you seal the jar, obviously. And shake, 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 shake. So this is almost like a cocktail shaker. Am I going to get the result I want? Am I going to get frothy coffee? Oh, this is good for the metabolism. Right, couple more shakes. Couple more, and take the lid off and into the microwave. Now that's the jar, been in the microwave for 40 or 50 seconds, and there, looking at that, we've got a nice foamy head there. So let's tip that out, see what it looks like in a glass. Yeah, there's the hot milk or steamed milk. And there's the foam in the jar. We're moving the foam on top. And so not so much foam this time. And the last method for frothing up milk I'd like to show you is using Scoof. Now this is something I designed, and well, it's good for stirring cafetieres, it's good for cleaning cafetieres, but is it good for frothing milk? Let's find out. Here we go, same milk, that's 1% fat milk, about the same amount. Putting it inside a cafetiere that can go in the microwave, and now what I've discovered is it's almost like trying to light a fire. If you you roll it between your hands, and oh, this is quite therapeutic. This is taking me back to my primeval self. And are we going to get some frothy milk out of this? I'm liking the look of this. Right, rise up a bit more. This is fun for all the family. Now, let's take the Scoof out and let's put that in the microwave. And here we have the result of the Scoof. So what are we doing? There's a head there. There's some warm steamed milk underneath. We tip the milk in and here comes the foam. So after all of that, what do we think? Well, from that scientific appraisal of the different methods, I would say that this one, the electrically heated milk frother, I mean, that does what it says it will do. It's not the most impressive way of generating hot, frothy milk, but it does the job. The wand, the whisk, I mean, that really got a good foamy head going, and so that's a reasonably inexpensive way of getting a foamy head, and then you obviously have to heat up the milk. So we like that one. The jar, that's something a lot of people have got at home, and yes, it works. You shake up the milk, and if you keep shaking vigorously enough, and you put it in the microwave, you can get a foamy head of warm steamed milk from a jar. And Scoof, well, it does work. Maybe a bit more elbow grease is needed, but you can get a reasonable hot steamed milky drink with a foamy head by just using the Scoof. So pretty impressed with that one. But if I was to buy something dedicated to foaming up milk, I think I'd just go for the wand.